Hey there, welcome back to Learn to Earn Mind. Today, I'm about to unveil something truly spectacular, a secret method to get Wonder Share Virbo for free. Yes, you heard that right, folks, 100% free. So, let's start.
If I click on Talking Photo or Video and create a video, this message will appear. You need to upgrade your account. If you have also this problem, don't worry. I will tell you how to get it for free. The first step is to click on your account and then click on Logout. You should now open a new window and go to the browser and search for temp mail. Click on the first website you see. Please wait while the temporary email loads. Make a copy of it right now. It's time to return to the Virbo. Paste your temp mail here and write your password. Click on the Create Account button. The account you requested has been created. Let's create a video to see if we can create a free video. Choose an avatar and click Next. Write your prompt. Click on the Create Video button. As you can see, our video is exporting now. Please wait for a moment. You can watch the video by clicking on it. You can now see that the video has been generated.
Welcome to Wonder Share Virbo. Just start typing your script to begin. Use photo magic to make your photos talk and come to life.
As a result, you will be able to access Virbo for free. You can repeat the process whenever it expires. Please click here to download it.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to level up your skills and save money at the same time. Until next time, keep learning and earning.